That looks nice. I have some photos for the grandmom.
How are you, sir?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I don't even think I know you anymore.
I know, right?
So much shit has happened.
Naked face, man.
Oh man, I should have kept the mask on.
Did you shave because your mask at work coming down because of your beard?
Coming down, it doesn't fit.
Oh,
it itches. I'm gonna move my car up. Or can you move my car up? It doesn't have a push button to start, Doug. I know it's unfamiliar to you.
Oh, is this a key?
That's an actual key.
Wow.
You can't lose that. I usually say the first couple shots are your worst shots. You're just trying to get familiar with the surrounding and get everything straight in your head. And these were not the best of shots. They're a great starter. So I tried to shoot inside the car with the glass all the way up for me to realize I do not have my polarizer filter. And this was impossible to shoot. So just for future references, try and make sure you bring a polarizer filter. That would help you a lot. A polarizer filter would cut down on all the reflections. Yeah, I forgot. You could be fancy. I know. I keep, but now when someone else does it, I got you. This don't open with it? Oh, mine does. Oh, mine does. That's interesting. I kind of rather have this though than having them all open.
Three of them.
I tried to get a variety of shots, what makes the car very unique, showing the logo, of course. And in this shoot, I tried to incorporate my friend Doug with the car. I'm actually just catching your hands right now, so hands on the steering wheel type of thing. One hand on the steering wheel. This is a Infiniti G37X. It's an all-wheel drive car. He has created bought a custom steering wheel, which I think is really cool. And he has done a little bit small modifications to the car. I didn't show every little modification to it, but it's a pretty good looking car. Do you have shades? You gotta have shades. Oh, those look fancy. Whoa. Come a little bit. It just rained before we got to the shoot, and I want to try and use as much puddles as we can to catch reflections. And it's great to have an overcast skies. I have a different type of things going on, so it's not just a bright sunny day. It gives a lot of drama in your pictures. If there's something I would have done differently for this shot or for the whole shoot in general, I would have parked the car in a different location. I had the car slanted a bit too much, in my opinion. This is still a good shot, but I think if I would have switched it up to make it a little bit more straight on toward the camera, that would have been good. But I really like these pictures. These really came out well. I learned that getting different angles, getting very low or very high are very good shots to try and get. Using wide angle lenses to capture a lot of the car and get your environment with the photo helps a lot. It's all about the angle of the car, of where the car is parked and where you're shooting at. That's good. You want to hop out real quick? So the lens that I'm using is a 24-105 f4. I find that if you're shooting for the car, you don't want half the car to be in focus and the other half not to be. So f4 to about a 5.6 is a good range for your aperture.
Hold the shades. I mean, like, keep it on your face and hold it if you wanted to. Different poses, that's all. Stay right there. Let's see. Post up real quick.
I find that giving a bit direction to my model. In this case, he's not familiar with taking photos, and I'm just trying to make him look as cool as possible. I usually would have music or something playing, but we were just vibing, just taking some quick portraits. I really like these too. I like this little environment. The sun is just poking out from behind the clouds. You got a little shade right at the corner of the street.
Cool.
Now I switch to the 85mm.
Trying to see if I should get more reflection or not.
And I'm completely new to taking these reflection photos. Haven't done any practices or familiar with how to take these pictures with the car, and I think they turn out pretty well. He likes it, I like it. That's all that matters at the end of the day. If you like these type of things, subscribe, hit the like button so I know if this is something that you guys like to see. You gotta help out the channel so I can know what I can really do. Subscribe to see more. Tell me in the comments which photo you like the best. If you have any car photo tips, let me know. More content to come. Have a blessed one.